Today we're going to be talking about the Cisco IP phone 8845 and 8865. On the top left corner of the screen, you will be able to view your very own extensions. On the left and right hand side of the screen are the feature and session buttons. Below the screen are your soft key buttons of redial, forward, do not disturb, and more. On the base of the phone, you will find back, navigation cluster, release, hold, transfer, conference, headset, speakerphone, mute, voicemail, applications, directory, and the volume down and up button. At the center of the base is the keypad, and to the left is the handset. Depending on what model phone you have, you may or may not have a camera at the top. Now let's explore the basic functions of how to use the Cisco IP phone 8845 and 8865. To place a call, enter a number and pick up the handset. To place a video call, make sure the camera shutter is turned clockwise, ensuring that your camera is on. Enter the number you would like to call. If the person you called has their camera on, their video will appear on your screen. Your own camera view can be seen in the lower right-hand corner of the screen. Turn the camera shutter clockwise to start your video and counterclockwise to stop your video. During an incoming call, pick up the handset or press your extension. During an active call, press the mute button. Press mute again to turn off mute. Press the voicemail button and follow the voice prompts. Press forward and then forward all. Enter the number you would like your calls to be forwarded to. Navigate back up to forward all and press the right arrow to change it to on. To receive calls again, change forward all to off. Press volume left or right to adjust the ringer volume when the phone is not in use. Press volume left or right to adjust the handset, headset, or speakerphone volume when the phone is in use. Press Applications and navigate down to User Preferences, and then navigate down to Ringtone. Select a line and then scroll through the list of ringtones and press play to hear a sample. Press Select and Set to save a selection. During an active call, press Hold. Press Hold again to resume the call. Press Applications, select Recents, and then choose the line you would like to view. During an active call, select More Options, Blind Transfer, and then dial the number you would like to transfer the active call to. Press Call to send the transfer. During an active call, select More Options, Transfer, and then dial the number you would like to transfer the active call to. You are now able to inform the second party of an incoming transfer. During an active call, press Conference. Dial the number of the party you would like to add and press Call. Once the second party answers, press Conference. All parties are now joined on a call. During an active call, select More Options and then Transfer VM.